Good morning. It is bright and early, 6:30 in the morning. It is abalone season. It's upon us once again annually. There's 4 days a year for those that don't know, and each day is 1 hour. So only 4 hours a year to get these tasty little morsels. We're allowed to have 15 each on a license, and they've got to be about 60 mil wide minimum. I can't actually jump in today and dive, unfortunately. I've just had surgery, so I'm going to be just getting the ones on top. It is the first day, so hopefully that means that the big ones are still here around the shallows, and yeah, we'll get some good ones for a barbecue later. I will be getting joined with Pisey and Shanae. They shouldn't be too far away, and yeah, we'll jump in there. You ready to get some abalone in?
Totally ready. I was born ready to get the ug.
Pisey on his heart starter in the morning.
Breakfast of champions.
Did you bring your traditional abalone beers?
Yeah.
2 in Yeski.
Unreal. 8 o'clock on abalone morning. It's like a what do we call it? Tradition. For those that haven't done it before, all I use is a little flat screwdriver, measure out 60 mil, and then I'll measure them properly with the proper measurement later on, but just to give them an idea, we use this. Pisey's got a bloody weapon, a proper abalone knife weapon. I don't think anyone's going to be stealing his abalone today.
Definitely not.
But yeah, it's just simple, pop them off, and then yeah, we'll bring them back and measure them properly later. Make sure we're not going any undersized. All right, 7 o'clock's upon us. We'll jump in there. Oh. One. Beautiful. Whoops, got a wet ass. It's a good one. Beautiful big one. Beautiful. Massive one for around this area. She's a good one. All right, that's 15. Beautiful. All right, so we're just going to go through and double check, make sure that they're all size. I am 99.9% sure that they are. There's some good sizes in there as well. 15. Sweet.
As per the ritual.
Don't mind if I do. That's bloody living, Pisey. Shanae. We'll get home, we'll clean these up, and we'll have a bit of a feast, and then yeah, we'll call that a day. All right, we're back. Welcome to the Roe Abalone shucking production line. Basically, we're just going to take them out of the shells. I've done this last year in our last video that we did with abalone, but we'll go through it quickly again for those that haven't seen that video. Those that check out the channel, jump on there, and yeah, we had a bit of fun last year as well collecting these. Basically, you can use what you use them to pop them off, or a spoon is also a very good tool. Basically, you just want to come in from the pointy end on the shell, so you get the top as opposed to the bottom, which is a lot rounder. Jump in underneath there, just pop them up a little bit, separate it from the shell. This one's being difficult. And then peel that away. Like so. Now all this stuff I'll scrape out, and that will be used as excellent burley for when the demersal ban comes off in another week, I think it is. Yeah, another week away, so cannot wait for that. We'll finish them off later, and then we cut the head off with our trusty knife. And then we have, give it a bit of a rinse, beautiful abalone prepared. Show you from my point of view. Whoop, just went everywhere, hopefully it's not on the lens. Give that a rinse. Cut the little head off. Now some people love them, some people hate them. I think it's a required taste. I think nothing else in the world tastes like them. I absolutely love them, especially with the old butter and garlic. But yeah, if you haven't tried them, definitely give it a go. Now, the license for these each year is $50, recreational abalone license. And what we've got here is, you know, probably a $200 or $300, even $400 worth of abalone if you were to buy it at a restaurant kind of thing. So I think $50 is actually pretty reasonable, considering how many we get. 15 per license for 1 hour 4 times a year, so it's not too bad at all, I think. Sometimes those days can be cancelled due to weather and stuff like that, and that's just the luck of the draw. Alrighty, 15 Roe Abalones all shucked and ready to go. I'm going to stick probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 in the freezer, and we'll have them next week on our camping trip. And then we'll turn the other ones into wraps pretty soon. I've just got to clean the barbecue. So yeah, I'll go through all the wastage. So I'm just going to peel all the guts and what's left in the shells out, chuck them into the little bag, and yeah, best burley going around. So nothing goes to waste other than the shells. Alright, barbecue is clean. Time to tenderize the abalone. And for that, we just use a normal tenderizer. Get these from Coles. I like to call them the attitude adjuster. I've got 6 abalone there that have been giving me attitude for the last couple of hours, so look out. Say hello to my little friend. There's no easy, clean way of doing this. So I've just basically wrapped everything up in plastic so it can't escape. And we just batch the crap out of them. Pretty simple. Starting to feel pretty soft. Yeah, I think they'll be alright. Alrighty, unwrap these up. Alright, it's just getting pretty warm on there. We'll chuck the garlic butter straight on there. Chuck these on. They don't look very appetizing, but I can tell you they taste delicious. They don't take long at all. Minute and a half on each side. You don't want to be going too overcooked, or else you'll be eating some very, very tough abalone. Lovely. I think they're done. gas off. Just chuck that on the side for now. Bring her over. Alrighty, we'll wrap this up. Here comes Flavish, you can smell the food. First impressions.
Good.
Pretty bloody delicious if you ask me. Good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, that is absolutely delicious. Fresh, caught only 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, whatever it was. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, I'll finish off the episode there. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again very, very shortly. I'm off down south next week for a fishing trip. Alright.
G'day guys. New to BlissNiques, we have our t-shirts available from medium to extra large. These are screen printed to last longer and are super comfortable. If you'd like to support our channel, hit us up on Instagram, BlissNiques, $45 plus postage. Cheers.